Hello, painting peeps, and welcome to the No Bra Zone. It's Kathleen from COZ Creations. Happy day or two after Mother's Day. I picked these from my little yard today to put in my studio. We've got some of our knockout roses, some coreopsis, some echinacea, coneflower, a little bit of thyme. Oh, it smells so good. Variegated ivy, some purple verbena, and some nice basil. So this is sitting right next to me here in my little studio, and I thought I'd share this with you. Isn't that pretty? It's a good life, guys. It's a good life. And I am so excited. I am doing a collab today with sweet Heather Mader. Heather Mader's art, guys, you know who she is. I am so excited. We friended each other back about 4 months ago when I did my very first YouTube video, and she was so helpful. She edited it for me and gave me pointers and showed me the ins and out of using iMovie, which is the program that I use to edit my videos. So thank you always, Heather. I've told you 100 times how grateful I am for that. But we are both working today on a 16 by 20 gallery wrapped canvas, and our colors are the same, but we got to pick what technique we wanted to do. Heather said I should do a swipe because that's kind of my jam. So I am going to be doing a swipe for you. I'm not sure what Heather is doing, but I'm sure it's going to be magnificent. Let's talk about the colors that we're using. My base coat today is going to be black. I have a mixture of Artist Loft black, and I put a little bit of this black 3.0 in it to kind of just, you know, deepen it up a little bit, which we'll see how that turns out. That's going to be my base coat, and our colors are copper. I am using Decoart Metallics Copper. The other color that we shouted out was Champagne Gold, and I am using Decoart Metallics Champagne Gold. And green, we got to pick whatever green we wanted to use. I chose Folk Art Treasure Gold, the green gold, or the vert, as in green bean. So I think that would play really well with that copper. Heather threw into the mix some white, and I have a little bit here. I am not sure if I am going to use it because I don't know how that's going to play with my black base coat. So those are our colors. Our pouring medium is the same. It's 75% Floetrol to 25% GAC 800. And I am excited, Heather. Let's get rocking and rolling. Thanks for joining me in the No Bra Zone, guys. I'm always happy when you do. Let's get busy. Bye.